Hi. So I promised I would make a small recording so that you could hear how my new dobro-ish guitar sounds. As you can see, it's not finished yet. There's no pickup or anything yet. There are no frets. I don't know, it's going to be, maybe it's going to be fretless. I don't know yet. But this is at least how it sounds right now. Actually, I'm so pleased with the sound that I have had a hard time putting it away. So I've been playing around with it a lot, and instead of finishing it, I actually also wrote an old style blues called I don't know, Rolling. I'm rolling overboard. I'm rolling overboard. Because the woman I love, she's gone. She left me last night. She left me last night. The woman I love, she's gone. She said I was lazy and up to no good. She said I was lazy and up to no good. Woman I love, she's gone. I'm rolling overboard. I'm rolling overboard. Cause the woman I love, she's gone. The woman I love, she's gone. The woman I love, she's gone.